Check if a given key already exists in a dictionary. I wanted to test if a key exists in a dictionary before updating the value for the key. I wrote the following code. I think this is not the best way to accomplish this task. Is there a better way to test for a key in the dictionary?
In tests for the existence of a key in a dict. Use dict.get to provide a default value when the key does not exist. To provide a default value for every key, either use dict.setDefault on each assignment, or use default dict from the collections module.
Use key in my_dict directly instead of key in my_dict.keys. That will be much faster as it uses the dictionary's O1 hashing as opposed to doing an ON linear search on a list of keys.
You can test for the presence of a key in a dictionary using the in keyword. A common use for checking the existence of a key in a dictionary before mutating it is to default initialize the value. For example, if your values are lists, for example, and you want to ensure that there is an empty list to which you can append when inserting the first value for a key. In cases such as those, you may find the collections.defaultDict type to be of interest. In older code, you may also find some uses of has_key, a deprecated method for checking the existence of keys in dictionaries. Just use key_name in dict_name instead.
You can shorten your code to this. However, this is at best a cosmetic improvement. Why do you believe this is not the best way?
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribe.